MCA kurwa se wodi ya bochi tendere imeye county ya Kisii omanyekante buna mangondi Nyarwati ni gobono aberega kurwa obokonyi anene bitamba byobo chenugo ya ase skuru ya machongo PAG elikonyara Gusii abana banyaruka ekero bagendrete nechisemi chiabo oroboti ru asenchira iyobwekirano.
Thank you, Kenya Slum Youth Development Organization, for supporting Machongo Mixed Secondary School with sanitary towels. May God keep you going.
We will be providing you with sanitary towels from today until the next 3 years.
Omochengo nigo bwatainse ase skuru ya Machongo PAG eyo gotoka se wodi ya bochitendere county ya Kisii magega yo murwanirira bwekero kyo MCA korwa se wodi eyo mangondi Nyarwati abaga ko bwatuko bokonyi bwe bitamba byo bochenu gochiasaba na baiske be skuru eyo.
We will be doing the distribution in every 3 months. We'll providing you with sanitary towels. Today we'll give you sanitary towels enough for 3 months. Once 3 months are done, we will be back here on September to provide you for another 6 months. So we will be doing this continuously, and we pray to God that the program continues so that those girls who will come after you will still be beneficiaries of the program.
Nyarwati ni gatebire buno burayi bwaye nachikoine ki umwana omwiseke ngo egenderera yarebye n'amasomaye atavuga ati bitango binde byonsi.
One of the thing is that is pushing me to be in leadership. I know that you know that I'm a flying MCA, is to push for a policy that the county government to provide sanitary towels to all girls in this county. And so it is the reason I'm here. Before that policy is passed, I will ensure that the girls are not waiting for the policy to be passed, but they still have sanitary towels to use.
Chinga kiechio ni gabori aboroki wa beskuru eyo gotakore biro nakobwata chisemi bokongu eryo wekonya ase amatukare bosyo.
Time is very precious. You waste time, you waste your tomorrow, you waste your future, you waste your success. So you need to spend your time carefully so that you can be able to succeed. Keeping time in school is the only resource you have to ensure that you've been able to study well, you understand all subjects very well, so that when exams come, you don't suffer from examination fever. You know what that is? Yes. The panic mood, which ensures whenever you are not ready to do exams, and some of you start preparing to go to pretend that you are sick. See, that happens. Yes. Some of you become sick. Of course, you are not sick, but you are pretending to be so that you don't do exams.
Goripotere taseni Ndizi TV korwa se wodi ya bochitendere county ya Kisii. Erietariane Eva